Ah, the Gulf Coast of Florida, the palms, the beaches. But as I was told by the park ranger at this state park, this is the real Florida. Just 15 minutes west of Bradenton, this state park is a great place to camp. Welcome to the Llama's 3-Minute Campsite Review. Lake Manatee State Park is a beautiful state park with spacious, private campsites. 60 total sites, all with water and electric, spaced out around 2 loops, each with a large bathhouse in its center. There is a dump station on the exit route. Within the state park is a day-use area with pavilions, grill stations, a playground, small beach, and a boat launch. Canoes, bikes, volleyball equipment, and horseshoes are available to rent at the ranger station, as well as firewood purchase. The park has 2.5 miles of trails near the campground to hike or bike. I would recommend knobby tires for these trails. They are quite sandy in sections, and breaking loose is a strong possibility. Here the trail goes into the east end of the park that has another 3 miles of trails. But we had already left the dogs alone for an hour and it was time to head back to our site. Check-in time is 3 p.m., check-out at 1. Quiet hours are from 11 p.m. to 7 a.m., and the ranger station closes at 5 p.m. Campsites are only $22 per night, and there is a $5 visitor fee for guests. It's essentially the day-use fee. The beaches of Anna Maria Island and Longboat Key are just 40 minutes away. Forgot your beach gear? Make a stop at the beach shop on Cortez Road on your way. I know the owners, and they're great people. Head over the Sunshine Skyway Bridge and spend a day at Fort Soto Park, featuring the well-preserved fort, fishing piers, picnic areas, multiple beaches, even one for dogs. There is a campground here as well. We took a look and may have to spend some time here next visit. Hungry after a long day of exploring? I recommend the Tamiami Tap in Sarasota, just off the Tamiami Trail. An airy, laid-back atmosphere with an outstanding menu which includes many vegetarian dishes. And best of all, they're dog-friendly. We really enjoyed our stay here and we'll stay here again. The perfect place to unwind after an active day. If you're planning a visit to the area, or even if you need an overnight, it's only 10 minutes off I-75. Take advantage of the peace and tranquility of the real Florida at Lake Manatee State Park. For $22 a night, you can't beat it. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep roaming.